Hello, my name is Neeraj Sagar. I am assistant professor in Ajay Kumar Garg Engineering College, and today we are going to discuss about N-Queen problem, which is very popular problem in DA, Design and Analysis of Algorithm, and it is regarding the regarding with the unit 4, and we are going to solve this problem, N-Queen problem, by backtracking method. So see, and queen problem, basically it is a problem of a chessboard. We have a queen, but we have some problem, and we have to solve this problem by some certain of conditions. See, which is the and queen problem. द क्वीन ऑफ अ चेस बोर्ड आप सभी को पता होगा, ठीक है। ये क्वीन है, इसकी कैसे कैसे हम क्या डायरेक्शंस होती है इसकी मूव होने की, वी ऑल नो अबाउट दैट, वी जस्ट नीड टू फॉलो दैट कंडीशन। सी एंड क्वीन प्रॉब्लम, it is a specifically it is a place of and queen in such a we need to place and queen in such a manner on an n by n chess board that no queen attack each other. We have to very much worried about it, ठीक है। The basic condition for this is it should not be in the same row, in the same column or diagonally आपका सिमिलर आपके ना तो सिमिलर रो में आने चाहिए, नॉट इन टू द सेम कॉलम एंड नॉट fall into the same diagonally direction. So basically 4 by 4, why I choose 4 by 4 chessboard here, because for n equals to 1 problem it has a trivial solution. Basically no solution exists for n equals to 1, n equals to 2 and n equals to 3. Means, see, if I, let's say this is my chessboard of 4 by 4, if I have a one queen, so I think this is not a problem for me. I can place queen uh, accordingly into any direction. I can place queen here or here or here, anywhere in this chessboard. Okay, no issues with this one queen problem. If I choose two, let's say if I choose two queen, say if I place queen 1 here, so I cannot place q2 in these directions. I can place q2 either here, here, anywhere. Now anywhere in this direction, here, here and here, okay. So a 2 queen problem, no contradiction, no conflicts occur here, no queen attack each other in 2 queen also. If I take the condition for 3 queen, see, let's say this is my 4 by 4. If I want to place 3 queen, I can easily place through 3 queen into this chessboard, no issues, okay. So basically issues generated when we talk about 4 by 4 and queen problem. See, okay, so this is the basic introduction about the and queen problem. See, and we are going to discuss about 4 queen and 8 queen problem. So basically this and queen problem generated, who is the inventor of this problem? Basically Max Bezel. The puzzle was originally proposed in 1848 by the chess player Max Bezel. He is a very best chess player, and he invented this problem. Over the year many mathematicians, Gauss is also included in this, have worked on this puzzle, and it is generalized as and queen problem, right? So Max Bezel, he is the basic inventor of this and queen problem. Now who gives the solution of this problem? Here, Franz Knock. In 1850, Franz Nog gives the solution of this problem. The first solution it is given by Franz in 1850. Basically, this problem he gives solution for 8 by 8, right? Then we extended this puzzle to the n queen problem on the chessboard. So see, initially we use for 8 by 8, and then we extended the size. Okay, so we lastly we use any arbitrary size of this chessboard. Okay, so basically it is invented by the Franz Knock in 1850. So basically this is my uh, this is the problem 4 by 4 and queen problem, which I am going to discuss by using backtrack method, or it comes in the application of backtrack method. How do we solve this by backtrack? See, if I let's say in 4 by 4, if I put q first queen in first row first column, see, so I cannot put next queen into this direction, in this row, in this column, and in this diagonally wise. I cannot put next queen in these areas. So if I cannot put in these areas, but I have some options for this, I can put here, here, and here, anywhere. So let's say if I put the second queen here, okay, first queen is in this is block and next queen in this block. See, you can now you cannot put third queen in this row, in this row, in this column, not in this direction, not in this direction. Okay, means you cannot put here, 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 in these. So you can put q3 next queen here, let's say q3. What next? Now you cannot put q4 in this direction. So ultimately, see, ultimately I cannot take the solution. ठीक है, मतलब मैं 4 क्वीन को इस चेस बोर्ड में प्लेस नहीं कर पा रही. ठीक है, मुझे ऐसे प्लेस करना है कि अगर मैं यहाँ पर q4 अगर प्लेस कर भी देती हूँ तो इट इज इन द डायगनली डायरेक्शन ऑफ दिस q, फर्स्ट q. Okay, so I means I cannot, this is not my solution. I have to again backtrack this. See, क्योंकि यहाँ पर जब मैंने चेस बोर्ड पे देखा तो मुझे क्या दिखा कि मैं यहाँ पर सभी क्वींस को प्लेस नहीं कर पा रही. आई कैन पुट 3 queens, I can put 3 queens but not the fourth one. Okay, so this is not my solution. Again I backtrack and again I find the next solution. So this is not my solution. Now what if I put the first queen into the second block, right? In this second block, now again in this row I cannot put the next queen. Diagonally I cannot put here, and in this direction I cannot put next q in these direction. Okay, now if I place next q into this place, see, in this place, this is not diagonally. See, let's check. I cannot put next q into this direction diagonally. Okay, in this, fine, or here I can easily put second queen in this place. Okay, no issues. Okay, fine. Now for the third queen I cannot put third queen in this place, this diagonally, and in this column, in this row. So what we do the next, we put the next queen, see, here. See, if I choose this place for next queen, I cannot contradict with any of the other queen, means not with this queen, not with this queen, right? So can easily put next queen at this place. Fine. Okay. Now after placing this here, now next for the fourth queen. See, for the fourth queen, I can, if I choose this path for the fourth queen, right? So I cannot place fourth queen in this place, right? In this diagonally, this, okay. This मैं डायगनली भी नहीं कर सकती फर्स्ट क्वीन के, सेकंड क्वीन यहाँ पर भी नहीं आ सकता, यहाँ पर भी नहीं, मीन्स अल्टीमेटली वी फाइंड दिस प्लेस फॉर द फोर्थ क्वीन. मीन्स in 4x4 I got the solution if I follow this. Means if I start with the from the second position, okay, then I can find my answer 2 4 1 3. So this is my one solution in which I placed all the queen which is not attacking each other row wise, column wise and diagonally. So okay, so this is my first solution. Next solution is 3 1 4 2, just reverse of this. Okay, this is my first solution and this is one is my second solution. You can get two solution in 4x4. Okay, so see, let's get the solution for this one. If I place queen at third position, first, second, third, this is my q1. Okay, now I cannot put q2 in this row, not diagonally, okay, or not in this column. I cannot put q2 in these places. So now q1 as this place. Now if I put q2 here, okay, sorry, we cannot put here, sorry, यहाँ पे हम नहीं कर सकते, we need to erase it. You can put q1 because it is diagonally associated. So this one is blank. You can put q2 here. Fine, no issues. Now next one, if this one is diagonally and this, now on these dots I cannot put q3 queen in at this place. I can put q3 only on these places, this one, and this one and this one, right? I need to choose best of one. Okay, next see, q1 q2, these places are these places are available for me. If I opt this one for q3, right, so I cannot put here, diagonally here, see, not in this place, not in this place, not this place. Now this place is vacant for q4. Now I can put q4 at this place. Means you can see I got the two solution for 4x4 and queen problem. You can use backtrack. Basically we are doing backtracking method. If you fail, you have to again start with the next position, right? In the earlier I used the first position. When I failed, then I used the second position. Okay, in this way you use you backtrack and again try this method. This is the backtracking method. Again you have to start with the fresh, okay, to get the solution. So this is my next solution. This solution is for 2413 and this is for 3142, right? So state space diagram, you have to you got the this is frequently asked question in AKTU paper, right? So you have to generally they ask for the space diagram, so you need to draw this pictorial this tree into the paper. So this is very important. See, uh, basically your board is empty, okay? When you first place Q1 here, okay, then after placing here, if you use Q2 here, okay, now when you use Q2 here, is there any direction in which I put Q3 diagonally? Yes, you can put the Q3, okay, लेकिन you do not get the answers next, ठीक है? So finally I just stop here and again backtrack, okay? यहाँ पर मुझे solution नहीं मिलेगा, then I backtrack again, go to the again at the first step and again start. I use this place for Q2. Nextly, I use this place for Q2. Now I check for the solution. Can I get the solution or not? So when I use, see, I cannot put next Q3 here, okay, here, not here, okay. Now I can put Q3 at this place. Again, when I further carry this, see, if I put Q3 there, basically you have no place, this is the direction. Basically when you backtrack and again for again places queens, you do not get any solution here, okay. So we need to stop here and again backtrack, go to the fresh, okay, because I do not get when I put Q1 at the first place. Next, what will I do? I put Q1 at the second position now, okay. When I put Q1 at the second position, see these are diagonally, okay. So I put Q2 here, fine. When I put Q2 here, next where I can put Q3, see I cannot put, I cannot put Q2 here, Q1 here diagonally here and at this place, okay. So for basically in this area I can put Q3 at this place, okay, at this place. So I write Q3 here. So when I place Q3 over here, I still get the place for Q4, means this 2, 4, 1 and 3. I got the solution. Same, you have to draw space diagram for the next solution, which is 3, 1, 4, 2, which is reverse order of this solution, right? So this is very simple to solve, the very easy to understand and very simple to solve about the 4 by 4 and queen problem, and this is very much frequently asked question in your AKTU exam. See, say in same way we have another 8 by 8 NQN problem, right? In 8 by 8 NQN problem, we basically have 12 solutions. You can see in this slide, I use 12 solution and I hope this is clear to all. Basically, you can write any of these problem, okay. You can use any solution If in AKTU you have been asked for 8 by 8 and queen problem, right? See, no queen is contradictory with each other. I mean, not no single queen is attacking each other, right? If I check for this one only, you can check the further. Okay, see this queen, this is the queen 1. Okay, these are the diagonal. I cannot put next queen here and in at this place, right? Q2. So I put the next queen here. If I put the next queen here, see, for queen 3rd, I cannot put, this one is diagonally. Okay, fine. I cannot put Q3 at these places, right? If I put Q3 here, so I cannot put Q4 at these places which I marked. Okay, so diagonally, not at these places, not at this place. Okay, next for Q4, if I choose this, if this is my place which is empty for this queen, if I placed queen over here, so I cannot put queen 5 at, not its diagonally, not in the same row and same column. So easily I can put queen 5 here, right? Now next queen, this is diagonally, I cannot put next queen into its diagonally position, row and same column. So I can put next queen here. This one is 6th queen. See, when I place 6th queen here, so this is reserved, this part is reserved, this part is reserved, and this part is reserved, also this part, right? Now I have only 2 places. Okay, one this one and one this one. Okay, but it is better to place 7th queen at this place, right? When I place queen at this place, so this part is acquired, this is diagonally, this, so only one place is left, this place. I can put 8 queen at this place. So this is how we can put 8 queen in 8 by 8 chess board. Okay, so this is the problem. Same condition, we cannot put 8 queens in a way in which they attacking each other, right? So in this way, by this approach, we cannot we basically अब हम यहाँ पर हम क्या कर रहे हैं, हम बेसिकली यहाँ पर क्या है, आप जो भी कॉन्ट्राडिक्शन है, कोई भी कॉन्फ्लिक्शन यहाँ अगर नहीं होगी इन 8 क्वींस के बीच में, राइट? So this is way we can solve 8 by 8 and queen problem, and these are the 12 unique solutions of and queen problem. Okay, I have discussed first one. You can do on your own about the rest of the 8 by 8 and queen problem, right? So if I talk about the and queen time complexity, I hope this is the state space diagram where you got the 2 solution 2 4 1 3 and 3 1 4 2, right? If I talk about the complexity is order of n square plus n into t and minus 1. This is the complexity of the n queen problem. Basically, the runtime, this is the runtime. Okay, and if you draw recursion tree for this recurrence, then finally you will be get something like n factorial, this one. Okay, when you solve this problem, so by the definition of big O, this can be reduced to n factorial. Okay, means you can say it is exponential, so it comes into the NP hard problem, right? So this is all about the n queen problem. and these are some references from where I get the all these PPT, from where I collected all these stuff. You can go through with these, and thank you so much for the next lecture.